Okay, so let me share back the screen. Is my screen shared again, guys? Can you help me just confirm? Can you all see my screen now? Can, right? Okay, fantastic. So we were at question 2. Okay, so question 2. Okay, so basically, I think I saw your answer. So the answer should actually be C. Hunters, okay? To avoid his hunters. We don't know who's hunting him. Basically, the hunters could be the wolves. So that's why he could make it back to base camp. There would be help waiting. So, like, yeah. So that would be the clue there. And then let's see the next one. Okay,
Why
this
is it not B?
Okay, wait. Let me go back to the followers. Followers are usually people, right? Yeah. And followers doesn't mean they are harmful. See? So like you guys got a lot of followers on Instagram, on TikTok, right? Doesn't mean that they will come and hunt you and come and attack you physically. So that's why it's not B. Okay? So that, I hope that answers the question. Yes, is the pursuers.
No, because you can't say his hunters. So it sounds like weird, but if it's his followers, then it's fine. Right?
Yeah, but followers is positive, right? Usually followers are positive. Here it looks like a negative, like as if it's going to be hunted. Yeah. So it's a negative thing. So that's why we put it as hunters. Like we don't know who. It could be the wolves, it could be people, it could be any other things in the wild. So that's why we put it as hunters. Okay, followers. You guys got a lot of followers, right, on Instagram. So don't tell me your followers on Instagram all want to hunt you like that, right? Or your TikTok followers, right? They won't come and hunt you. So that's why we call it as hunters. I think you all here, right? You might have probably 1,000 followers each already lah. All look so famous.
They will. Most likely.
Everyone do like me.
Ah, hey Brian, why you upside down, Brian?
Actually, today I'm sure most likely they
Yeah,
will
bet.
ask you for autographs.
Wow. Oh, so you all have 1,000 followers each minimum. Ah. Okay lah. I'm so sad now.
I don't have an account.
Oh, you okay? Even better. You know what, guys? I really suggest don't have any social media accounts now, especially when you're doing your PSLE, so that you can focus more. Because you can get
I also
distracted.
have
I have an account, but I don't use it.
Excellent. Don't use it
Same.
until after your PSLE. Okay, focus on your PSLE.
Can I follow
Follow who?
you?
Cannot. Okay, so
Follow
let's
you home.
follow me. Cannot lah. I'm already at home. All of you are also at home, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's continue the question. So why am I back here? Okay, next. Right. Read this first. You guys take 1 minute to read, and then we will do the questions together. I just need you to do question number 3 first. So you can all write your answers for question number 3. We're just doing question number 3 so that I can easily check your answers. So only type in your answers for question number 3. Okay, but I need a favor from one of you. I'm very tired reading. I need one of you to help me read this paragraph. So Brian, can you do the honors of helping me read this one paragraph here before we go to question number 3? So you can unmute yourself now and read question number 3. A flurry of grey darted. Can start now, Brian.
A flurry of grey darted into the edge of the clearing, and then another. Finn's heart sank, He unshouldered his backpack, figuring that it was his only method of defense. But just as the alpha bared its fangs for an attack, a loud crack rang out through the woods, loud enough to startle Finn. The wolves hesitated and then turned tail and fled. Realizing he had been moments from possible death, Finn collapsed to the ground in relief.
Thank you very much, Brian. You saved me a few breaths. Okay, so anyways, I think most of you have put in your answers, and I think most of you did mention that it is D. Darted. Okay, so darted into the edge, but where is the clue? Anyone can just unmute yourself. Tell me where is the clue?
Into the edge of the clearing.
Okay, yep. Okay, so basically it's like you quickly go in, get totally into the edge and all that. Okay, nice, very nice. Okay, so far so good. Now I need to go to the next page. Okay, so now can you all quickly type in your answer for question number 4? What is the meaning of startle? Okay, so far so good. So it's A, shock. Sorry, wait, what did I do? Okay, this one is A. So where is D's clue? Wait, why is Tommy out? Where's the clue for shock? Startle. Guys, unmute yourself. Where's the clue for question number 4? Yes, the loud, correct. And also just as it's just suddenly, like it didn't happen, it wasn't planned. Okay, then the loud crack just came out. So it was totally something that shocked him. Okay, so startle means shock. So use more of these words inside your compositions. Okay, which you can add these words inside your vocabulary tab as well. Later on we will share with you that. Okay. And last question 5. The wolves hesitated and then turned tail and fled, realizing he had been moments from possible death. Finn collapsed to the ground in relief. So hesitated. It's like to go or not to go, to go or not to go. So can you write your answer for 5 in the chat first? Wow, Tommy is like really very on the ball. On the 1 hour left. Okay, got it. Need
What
to
our
fast.
time bomb?
Oh, he's a time bomb. So he's the one who's always reminding the teachers, is it, of the time?
Yeah, I actually
Ah.
sometimes bomb the screen in math.
I
He
see.
never does that.
I see. But I say only at 2:20, remind me. Now it's only, what's the time now? It's only 1:30, still early. Yeah, just need you all to type in your answers. Guys, if you have questions about the passage or about the question, I haven't checked the chat. Just unmute yourself and tell me what is the question that you want me to, clarify with you guys. So for question number 5, the wolves hesitated. So it's like to go, not to go, to go, not to go. So it would be, I faltered. No, I show you guys the answers already. No, cannot. Move back. Okay, so this is B. What? This is B. Okay, so it will be faulted. Okay, so anyways, I've already shared with you the answers, but where is the clue for faulted? He hesitated and then turned tail and fled.
Turn tail and fled.
So it's like to go or not to go, to go or not to go. So that's why. So realizing he had been moments from possible death, Finn collapsed to the ground in relief. Wow, why he collapsed? Why do you think he collapsed?
He was relieved.
He was totally relieved. It's like, oh, thank God I'm alive. Okay, so that's why he collapsed. He was totally relieved. It's like, I'm alive. Probably that's why he would say, I'm alive. Yay. So that's why he's like collapsed to the ground. Okay, so this would be about the vocab close. Okay, so far I think you guys did well. So just if you have any vocabulary from these two passages, you can add to your vocabulary tab. Okay, you can explore the portal and then add in those those vocabulary in the tab, and then I will check it after
What's
the
the
lesson.
vocabulary tab?
Is in your portal. So later on, I will share that with you. I'm not sure whether it's really gone live or not, but I will update you later on. Okay. Okay, so far there's vocabulary close. Always annotate where are the clues. Okay. So far is
Wait, what's question 4 again?
do you want to see the question or the answer
The answer.
here?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so far is everybody okay? Everybody okay so far? All okay, right? How's the weather at your sides? Like, is it raining? Is
Very
it hot?
sunny.
Very sunny,
Very,
right?
very sunny. I
I
can't
know.
even see.
Very sunny.
In
Sunny.
Woodlands, it's very sunny.
Okay, so can you all guess where I am
It
then?
is a morning work.
I will guess by your weather.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's not so sunny, not so gloomy.
Serangoon.
No. Any other
McPherson.
tries?
Rudy,
No. Any other tries?
Yishun.
Rainy.
Wow, why do I look like I'm from Yishun? Mm-hmm.
Harbourfront, Sentosa.
How do you know I'm even in Singapore? What if I'm not in Singapore?
Then
JB.
what is
Because
your
it is tuition Singapore company.
Yeah,
Yes.
but it's online. I can
Yes,
be
it's
anywhere in the world.
It's in Little India. It's in Little India.
No.
Your weather's windy.
No, nobody has gotten it right so far. Is there any other guesses? Okay, I'm telling you, I am in Singapore right now.
Tampines.
Wait, who said that?
Yan.
Wow,
Yeah,
he got it right. I am in Tampines. How do you know that?
Uh,
What was your contextual clue?
You
okay.
probably just guess any.
I'm
Oh
like
my
shocked. I'm like super shocked. Do you have some sort of psychic power or something? You know that I'm Tampines. But yes, you are right. I am in Tampines right now. Okay, maybe that's why. Because I did tell you
Where?
guys why the weather is a bit not too hot, not too gloomy. So maybe that's why.
Maybe
So lucky to live in
You are in a
Tampines.
restaurant.
You're so lucky. Because
Maybe if you go
in
to
Tampines, right, there's this swimming pool, right? And then you can always go to the swimming whenever you want.
Where is this
Yeah.
swimming pool?
I used to go there, but I don't remember where exactly in Tampines it is.
Okay, you try to remember that. We'll go and
I
find the swimming
remember Tampines.
Okay, excellent. So we can all share the weather of our different locations. It's really cool, this online class. Now I'm liking it more than usual. Okay, anyways, you guys have been fun. Really, really fun. Okay, so let's continue. We'll finish our editing practice and then we'll see whether we have a 2 minutes toilet break or not. Okay, so let's finish the editing practice first. So I was at this. Guys, I just need you to help me. Am I already sharing my screen?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go to the next one. That would be editing. Okay, so you will read this first and then we will answer the questions. Hey, wait, what? Oh, lucky. I hope you all didn't see that. Okay, can you guys take about 2 minutes to look at this page and then type in your answers for 6 till 12. No, 2 minutes about 2. Okay, I'll give you about 5 minutes for this. All of you, 6 till 12, can you just very quickly type in your answers in the chat? 5 minutes.
Can we like annotate and for different questions?
Yeah, we will do the annotation later together. But for now, you just type in your answers in the chat. So I guess most of you have typed in your answers already. Okay, come, let's check the answers for this one. So flamingos, okay, I'll tell you something, a fun fact about me. Flamingos is my favorite bird, favorite animal. I don't know about you guys. So it's just very, very pretty and all. So I always like to go to the bird park when I was younger. I don't know whether you guys go. Anyways, there's this new place, right, called the Bird Paradise. You can go and see the flamingos there. Don't know whether you guys have been there or not.
The bird only stands with one leg.
Yes, interesting, right? And then there's this new place in Singapore. A.